na kore emirimo ye mu kitongole k'ebyamakulu. Hakairi kano kanyete director kandali Honorable Dr. Kasiri Vatwoki hamuna timu kuruga kakumiro baije basobole kuba ne bagaragara naitwe mu dakika nka 2. Dr. Kasirivu
abazikinyakia itu ombitinisa byanyu nywena ngoza kusirima mukama ngu muizire bayingi kusendekereza munywani waitu Kadiri Kirungi atuoki omukuru ono omugambirizi anyesere kujyana kubaza nka director wa radio Mambya baitunja kugendaho kuhinguraho radio Mambya ngonza kubasima mwebale kwijja kusendekereza Kadiri mwebale muno bantu barugira hara abamba barugire mbale bagizansoni abandi barugire nkaha mwebale muno kandi ngoza kusima na president wehanga president Museveni omwaka gwe 2016 mukuru Kadiri byabanze kwesimba bwa chairman akaru haruna ambali kagenzereka kagumangana hati nakwata esimu nyenki akara nagaba iti president ono muterere esimu nkamugambira takusa kuhura namuterere esimu namugamba omusajja wa Hoima oko akwasire bendere yetu ya NRM alikubya kwetagisa obuyambi yagamba tweke esimu ye hasimu namba ziti nagihayo atabwe dakika nka 10 bamutwekera ki yamutwekera obukonyezi kandi akaburu Kadiri yakasinga kurungi mukimanyire hati ngoza kumusima kuba mtugira makuru ngu na hati atwekere obuyambi habo kutekaniza umukoro gumu okusendekeza Kadiri abanyo batano orufumu ngwa kuherenda oikaro mmanyire so ngoza kusima president nyowe Kadiri nkamumanya bonayijaga hanu kyali daktari webisoro Hoima ise amaja ijaga ya 95 kujanja benteze hati Kadiri na mulano bakyali busigazi nibo nibabingente kugya mukurashi nzijanjabe so nona mmanyire kubanza yarugaho yagendo bya makuru nyondi mpolipo hatwangera kumanyangana omwaka gwe 2008 yantekamu amani kurangu ntandikire radio kandi ni musima ngo akitekezo kyanteiremu bana mugambe radio rasoboka ngo kandi yotindo nagule ebyoma byayija kandi nayombeka enju nambali radio eri kakumiro hati kandi aho nkahunirira kurangu bakwataganira mutabani wange ono kandi banywana muno hati Kadiri omwange abayire mutabani wange kandi ali munywani wange so nizire hano tukuligamba nizire hano aboimambi Kadiri abayire wa family yange muno kandi munywani wange muno kandi munywani wa bana bange so bati mukama takola nsobi akaba nakyanteera nagamba agia Hoima Kampala nanyo namugamba nanyo ngenda Bugangaizi twasangana hantu tutasangana okanyonka ijakara kandi yagenda akirere. So mukama Ruhanga achuiremu ngukadiri mukama amwegarure ichwe tukole kintu kimu obwire bwa hati tuongere kusaba mukama Ruhanga ngukadiri ebyakozere omunsi ebibi amuganyire kandi ebirunge byakozere enyamwingi titusobora kubaza hano titusobora habukomba gambire radio ebayire neisana ye nuwabaina amanya birageno maiso arahindura program ki arakora ki. So bana abasigazi ba radio nibamumanya umulingo. So twamwetaga manager no at chairman no mweta manager haredi baitu habo kuba no yala amanyire kike kigendo maiso nakinaki. So tumweta manager. So mukama amuganyire ebyone byasobeze baitu ebirungi ebingi ebyakozere kandi ebibalesera hano mukama mpubusinge oburungi omwijuke mukama omwijuke etaliba omwijuke mukama.
Assalamu alaikum wa rahmatullahi wa barakatuh. Ito kulo barani bazina kazina kwa baikalire hansi ito ntugamba Allahumma ghafir lahu Allahumma arhamu. Tiniko niko tusobole kuingana ingana habwire bono mwikirize tugende hati hambazo is a district habukuba owekitinisa Kadiri abaire governor wa Hoima rundi LC5 hati mu protocol ni mu hierarchy tugenda kutandika na kao ni waba secretary rundi advisor wa DEC hati chairman wawe ijo mugaragale. I take this opportunity to invite the Chief Administrative Officer of Hoima District Local Government to come and mourn his fallen chairman. As the cow steps in, I want to recognize the Chief Administrative Officer of Masindi District Local Government. And if there is any other cow or deputy cow or town clerk and other technical team from the local government, please join the cow to mourn a fallen district chairman. And after the cow, we'll invite the vice chairman of Hoima district to also prepare. And lastly, the RDC of Hoima district will come in. Thank you.
Yeah, thank you. The district Kadi, dear mourners in your distinguished capacities. I am called Kumakech Charles Oluba. I'm the Chief Administrative Officer of Hoima District Local Government. I have colleagues who are with me here. I have my colleague who have joined me from Masindi, Sanyu Fiona. I have my colleague who have ever worked in Kibale now, but ever worked in Hoima as well. I have my deputy standing on my extreme right, and the town clerk of Kigorobia Town Council. It is not a very easy thing to say any word in such a moment, especially for me, who has been working under him and whom he was supervising very directly. the 3 months I have stayed in Hoima district local government, I want to say that I've had a very wonderful working relationship with Mr. Kadir. On the 2nd of November, when I requested my permanent secretary to take me away from Karamoja after I've spent about 3.5 years, he told me he would handle. And on the 4th of November, he gave me a call and said, Kumakech, come and pick your letters. That was a Friday. And as I was moving back, I got a call from Honorable Kadir, the late now. He told me, Kumakech, you are welcome to Hoima. I didn't even know I was transferred here. And in his own words, he told me, the Minister of Local Government told him he was sending to him a cow called Kumakech. He should receive him and work well with him. I'm narrating this story to demonstrate the very cordial and good working relationship that started even before we met. When I reached Hoima, Honorable Kadir received me with a lot of joy, and I felt so much at home. For the 3 months I have worked in Hoima, I have felt so peaceful. He's such a great man that you can approach anytime. The members of the executives will testify that he's someone you can ask for executive meeting anytime, and he will spare you time and sit. And he will give you a listening ear. You don't have to inform him 4 days before or maybe a week before, but you just inform him instantly and he will accept it. And he will handle your issue. Such an approachable person that I've never gotten in other districts that I've worked in. As a district, we have missed a very great man. As staffs of Hoima district local government, we are going to miss him a lot. We are going to miss his preciseness in making decisions. Chairman will always be direct and to the point. He had the district at heart, and he was always there to mentor us in doing everything in the district. We shall miss his guidance. The family will miss him. The entire Hoima district will miss him. But we pray that the Almighty Father rest his soul in eternal peace. Thank you very much.
Thank you so much, our dear cow. So sad, but we have to take heart. Abari kugonzebwa mukasumi niko kamukano mwonyikirize kandi ntangire no kumanyira kubaho kwa isito mu ruhanga ayabumwire my lord Bishop Nathan Kyamanywa Atenya muno mukyara kandi na klaje yona ya Church of Uganda izire yebembirwe arukugonzebwa Dean Moti babale muno kuija Reverend Canon Twine Eric kugonza kumanyiro kubaho kwa Father Amoti Rupere naye wa Moti Nkulebere kugonza kumanyiro kubaho kwa bitinisa abarugire ombukama mutiyo muno mwebale kuija hamuna abantu abandi abantakanagire heriso baito mukasumikano kandi munyikirize nyete chairman vice chairman our district arukugonzebwa kama to give your morning speech. Thank you.
Thank you. Thank you so much. Honorable members of council, kindly come forward. Honorable members, please come forward. Thank you. Thank you so much. Honorable ministers present with us here at the official send-off of our great leader and friend, the Honorable Kirungi Kadir, commissioners, members of parliament, the Honorable Chairperson of Uganda Local Governments Association here present, chairpersons and representatives from different local governments across the country here present with us. All technical persons present here with us, the media fraternity, security personnel. In the interest of time, all protocol observed. Master of Ceremonies, if you'll permit me, I'll make my remarks in my dialect for convenience. Ngonza kutwala omugisa guno on my own behalf and on behalf of the district of Hoima, kuhikia obutumwa obwokuganyira hali abantu bona aba Hoima abebembezi abataka bayitu ba Hoima bayitu muno muno ha family y'omugenzi chairperson waitu Honorable Kirungi Kadir Atwoki, mukayikuru waitu, mukazi we, abaana, brothers be, banyanya, abahemba inywena abanyakuli hano n'ababito, nkugamba mahano muno tukaterwa enkuba mujja kunganyira nja genda mpora tebambaza yange baitu kiro kino nukonyesangire amabara gange ni nyewe Chicha Benson Rukumba, Vice Chairperson wa Nyamasazi ya Hoima, kandi hano nyina members ba council, honorable councillors bona bali hano. Kiro kino kizibu kuikiriza baitukani nigama na ntukurora tuli hano officially kuziika mukama waitu. Honorable Kadir Kirungi abaire mukama waitu bate kigambo mukama kisa kutakora makuru kurungi ali Kadiri abo kuba mukama aragira aba haiguru obojema afubira kandi bo mubihiza taganyira omukama akozesa. But Kadiri has been a very exceptional leader. A leader who listens, a leader who never gives commands or orders, but he will always request, even when he's talking to the junior. Honorable Vice Chairperson, I was requesting that you could say. And that's a very rare attribute. Habebembeza abakiro obwingi. But Honorable Kadir Kirungi has been an exceptional person. A great leader, a very committed leader. Abayinafaayo kukola ebintu. Very vibrant. Kandi abayirayina plans nungi hawenya masazeno. Ana bintu bingi byabayina atekaniza hamuna itwe nka kanso. Era abaziki ngoza kumanyisa kiro mukama wetu yatungire accident. Akanterera that evening. Yansobora Vice Chairperson wake tegereze esente zitukutunga. Turasobora tutakuombeka amasomero ge tutandikire ga secondary seed schools omu Hoima. No sente buno butito. Nengudo. Nkozera appointment na abakuru Kampala nkwenda kurubata mukiro nubonsobole keeping appointments ezukiro kya mukaga. Ijo emugamba yeko baitu amani gakampa kiro ekyo saha ina ze kiro unyatungire simu nti mukama wange afuire. Akaba nagenda Kampala kusakira abantu ba Hoima. Kadiri bwobayina obaza nawe ekigamba abataka kiba kitakumuha mukano. Obwomezi bwo bwona abayina atekereza ha muntu owabulikiro. Abayina atakosa kaguza Vice Chairperson omanyira bwako oli hano aroho yakusindikire. Nikyo mukurora abayira hagati y'entaro za mataka natonganira kandi narwanira omuntu wa bulikiro. Mukuru mwanga wa buraru abayira hano abayina abaza hansonga yero obunyonyi. Abayina arwana muno buchweka hembe kurora nti omuntu wa bulikiro omuntu eya muhaira akaruruke yabakurungi kandi yaba n'obugabe bwenko omuntu. Ebintu bya mataka bingi entaro nyingi za mataka zarwaine omu district eno baitu mubyona narwanira omuntu mukama we ayamuhaira akaruru. He could call them bosses. That's how he could describe the voters, his bosses. So Kadira was very exceptional, ali very committed, kandi ali muntu anyakwijira okuganyira babibalize yira hano. Oba inoba nawe n'ensonga kiro kino nyinke nakweta even before the day closes nakweta na ukaguza kirikita leka tukwatanize nukwatyo abayire nakore emirimo ye ali musaija abayira jiro okuganyira kandi n'okugonza kwingi. baitu mukama byakora kiro kino kuba twesoloize tuli hano kuziika chairman Kadiri. It is so saddening. Mahano muno tetulina kyokugamba. Ebyahandikiro bitugambire mu bubi no mu bulungi tusiimege Ruhanga habwokuba byonna bye. Baitu areki kuteera kubi. Chairman Kadiri afuire muno, yafuna mu busaasi. Obairo takusobola kuyitirana Kadiri even for a minute atalekere impact mu bwomezi bwawe. Kandi ihongo lyalekere mu bwomezi bw'abantu abayingi. Leero nyowe lyamaani muno kandi kizibu muno impact ye kuruga mu bwomezi bwange. Abaina creating impact mu bwomezi bw'omuntu owaitraine in just a minute. Kasita bokuba oine bigenderwa birungi. Baitu nkoko nkibalize nti chairman Kadiri abaire muntu wembaganiza. Abaina creating impact eri positive mu bwomezi bw'omuntu aizire ne bigenderwa birungi. Abe bigenderwa ebibi, he was very courageous and determined abaina kuhereza doze ekusemera. That is him. Nikyo mkuhura ababalizo rede bagambire aroho abasemerero kiro kino bwafuire. And indeed it is true. Habokuba ogo webigenderwa ebitali nibyo abana kuhera doze. That is him. Baita abaire ne bigenderwa burungi hawa district ya Hoima. They will live to testify the goodness, fortitude, and determination y'omukuru Kadiri Kirungi. Honorable Kadiri Kirungi has been a very strong person, very strong, a leader. Agenzire kuvuga mu bwomezi bw'enseno, in spite of the challenges of leadership, ali very strong. Kandi nsiima na pate yaitu ya NRM habokumusapotinga DEC ya NRM nimbasiima. You have made us strong. And I want to say that even with the demise of the Honorable Kadiri Kirungi, the District Council of Hoima is still strong. Abokuba nkoko mbagambire, Honorable Kadiri Kirungi was not a selfish person. Ebigenderwa bye ebirungi habwa abantu ba Hoima aikana bitu. Kandi abaina atuolekia how to achieve them. So itwe nka council, we are still strong. That with his demise, vision ye erabura nangwa kanseno, as you can see it. It's composed of very pragmatic men and women that are willing and ready to take this district forward. So the sadists, abali yoku, nahanu baroho. Those negativists, baroho. We are going to take this district forward. As council, we are ready and willing to do that. Hanan Hong Sabira, the entire members, the entire council, members of our council. Tukwatanize. I want to assure you, honorable members, we can't go through this without solidarity, without cooperation and coordination and love for one another. As leaders, tukwetaaga kukwataniza, tugonzangane, bharaba haroho ensonga yona, let's sit down. Tuikare, tubaze, trole nkoku turagimara. Abantu bahayire oba bateire obwesige omuli Kitinisa Kadir Kirungi kino utuzira hano kuziika batunulire nnyo hati akwani nnyo kanso nekiragiro niko kigambire hati buturagaruka mu kwetagura we shall be betraying the people that entrusted us with these positions. Nkubasaba tukwatanize nasobora kwijjaho ensonga yona. We encounter lots of challenges in leadership, and they will never cease to come. They will always come. But let's always sit down, devise means of resolving them amicably. Tusobole kutwala district eno maiso. Kama waita amazire kugenda mukama nkwasimira ati ekyo nkibasabire tuleke genda aheru kubaza bingi okutagurangana kuterangana ebikonde ebyo tebikwetaagisa egyo teri nsonga habwaki abantu batukomere abarungi abantu bakatukoma tusobole kubakuratira tubahikiyeho obuheereza tuhindule obwomezi bwabo. Omuntu yakuhaira akarobo akura no kasuke kikonde n'otera Helen Mulumba nguno akugamba kubasaba tukwatanize tugonzangane tuhangana amagezi tusobole kutwara district yaitu omu maiso, because this is what we are supposed to do. Mahano muno tukumyangane habo kugenda kwa chairman Kadir Kirungi has been a friend, has been a colleague, a great leader. Achievements za chairman Kadir Kirungi ntandike kuzibaza hano tinkusobora kuzimara. Ebintu bino byone bimukurira mu district ya Hoima. Today we have Kikube, we have the Hoima city, we have the several sub-counties, we have the roads being established, we have different secondary schools being put in place, we have all the centers being put in place. All this gabaire mani na leadership yomwebembezi waitu kiro kino tizire kuziika the Honorable Kirungi Kadir. Nka district twikaire muno haihi nekeno habokuba omuntu utize kusendekereza kiro kino abaire muntu wembaganiza twina nko kutukonyeranga inemu obutumwa obundi bwiziregeira obundi bugya kwija obundi in fact burohana I guess baitu nobundi bukyaija. I'm not talking about Honorable Kirungi Kadir. We are talking about an exceptional person, and we shall forever miss him. May his soul rest in eternal peace.
Tiomuno aba district white chairman kwenda kusima baitu kasumineko kama kwenda kupaganyira kandi nitweganyira Kadiri awumule na businge hato mukasumi kanu katubanze tubeho no kumanyira abantu abamu abaroho mpora kandi tugenda go maiso na program. Otio muno
webale muno ko MC hakaire kanu munyikirize nyongere kutangira abantu bona bali hano kandi munyikirize abe bitinisa bali baingi kyonka itwena ikitinisa kitukuingana ingana nakyo kiri kyo kuba itwena tuli baziki hanyuma yo kuhura orubazoro kuruga wa vice chairman hamuna abebembezi kuruga mu Hoima district tukutangira kandi tukumanyira okubaho kwa State Minister for Local Government okitinisa muno Honorable Victoria Rusoke webale kuija mu mulingo nigwo gumu munyikirize manyirire kandi ntangire State Minister for Public Service omubito kati Grace Mary Mukyara Mugasa kandi munyikirize ntangire kandi manyiro kubaho kwa okitinisa Nzaire Shadrack Kaguta unaba chairman wa Kiruhura district habwa kitebe kya NRM webale kuija kandi rukunde gumeho mu mulingo nigwo gumu ogwo Nzaire Shadrack Kaguta aba coordinator wa Nkole hawa MK movement nkongera kutangira no kumanyira okubaho kwa Barugahara Balam Atenyi na waba coordinator wa Western Uganda MK movement munyikirize manyirire kandi ntangire aba members of parliament abakurasi omurukurato rukuru Ruihanga abamu bempikizo ha maiso ntandike na omubito kati Nyakato Asnans Kamanda omukurasi omukyara habwa Hoima City omukurasi omukyara habwa Kikube okitinisa muno Flora na Tumanya baingirana nawe aloho okitinisa Kazini Francis MP wa Buhaguzi nawe aloho okitinisa Honorable Pasco Tumusime Woman MP Pader Pascal Kandogo alimkyara mukamun webale kuija tuina Honorable Dr. Ruyonga Joseph ogo ali mukurasi murukurato Ruihanga kandi habwa ikichweka kinu hali tuli rundi niwe area MP hano tuli mu Hoima West Division tuina Honorable Pius Owakabi mapeple za mapeple Honorable MP wa Bugahia County tuinaho na bebembezi bandi aba kuruga mu government munyikirize manyirure kandi ntangire Assistant Inspector General of Police Magambo John kandi onali Director CID Magambo Tom wabale kuija kandi munyikirize ntangire ba chairman aba chairman LC5 kantandike na chairman Rwabuhinga Richard kandi ali president wa Ulga wabale kuija president wa Ulga kandi bunkuba nindora nkurora omkurungo kandi yabaire permanent secretary Minister of Energy kandi ali mukuru wa katebe ko bunano nawe nahika kandi no muhabuzi wa president wa Ihanga okitinisa muno Odrek Rwabogo nawe amazire kuba nahika ntukutangira kandi webale kunywana ekenu no kunywana okitinisa amlani nkutangira okitinisa LC5 chairman wa Masindi Honorable Cosmas Byaruhanga omuzazi akiki webale kuija okitinisa chairman wa Kagadi Ndibwami Biosia nawe tarutumire mwana aizire kuzika chairman mugenziwe chairman wa Kabale bamwita Muhonge Godfrey Chibale Muhonge Godfrey Isanga Kasanga nawe aizire Okitinisa Sentai Joseph Chairman Kakumiro webale kuija. Okitinisa Mwaba webale kuiza kuruga Bulisa. Abandi bamweta Mutebengwa, abandi bamweta bata ni wogo chairman kuruga Bulisa. Kandi mukitinisa nikyo kimu munyikirize ntangire meya worubuga runo hali tuli Adieri Brian Kaboyo oguna walinka LC5 darani dieri. Okitinisa Tabaro Didas kurugambara na chairman arayireho gahano gwo tubayirege no tugaragare kiro rukunde gumeho. Dr. Mpuga John kuruga Kyankwanzi chairman LC5 kuruga Kyankwanzi webale kuija. Mrs. Tumwijuche Jema